Today, an update on the stellar performance of Flat White Pandorea, the plant that's both a ground cover or a climber. We have shown Flat White Pandorea before on this channel, but that's before we truly knew how great this plant is. Pandorea is only known as a climber in the Aussie landscape industry, and for good reason, as they generally perform poorly as a ground cover. They are often bare at the base and partway up the trunk of the climber. Flat White Pandorea is just at home as a ground cover, spreading horizontally across the landscape, as it is at home as a climber, ascending flatly and densely along a fence. It grows flat too, whether on a fence or the ground. It will cascade down buildings or rocks or retaining walls. It will grow up or down any retaining wall. Ideal for green walls, just plant it in a planter box and its growth habit will provide the green wall. In many landscapes, Flat White Pandorea can be used as a ground cover in front and as a climber behind, saving on plants required for budget-conscious users. It can do this because it usually grows dense from the base, which is unusual for most climbers. If used as a climber, enjoy the benefits of it as a ground cover too. One that does not root out from the spreading foliage, which can be parted for other plants to grow through, from flowers to strappy leaf plants or shrubs, or even mounding ground covers like this pink fusion scaevola. Just pull them away from the other plants over time as they grow and point them in the right direction to grow. Cutting it back is easy, just cut hard or trim a little. Cut it as you desire. It is very forgiving to a hack. As it grows quite flat, it is usually just the extremes that need cutting. It's dense too, so if you make a mistake, it will quickly repair damage. For large, mass landscaped areas, Flat White with its spread and density can make a low-cost, high-performance landscape that looks stunning. Maintenance on this plant is really based around one aspect. It just needs trimming and little else, as it thrives on the smell of water, survives through wet, heavy soils, thrives in really hot, cold or humid conditions, and has been generally pest and disease-free in all testing. As a ground cover in high frost areas, it may burn a little. In moderate to low frost areas, it's not a problem. Flat White Pandorea is great in full sun or part shade. It's not for heavy shade, as it thins out too much. In testing, it has worked as a climber in west, north and east facing aspects along fences. Flat White Pandorea is one of the most functional, reliable, no-fuss plants to come from Ozbreed's breeding program, and its versatility as a climber or ground cover makes it an easy choice to have in any landscape.